Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two finance apps. When choosing a mobile payment solution, understanding the key features and services of platforms like LG Pay and WeChat Pay is essential. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Both LG Pay and WeChat Pay offer different types of accounts to cater to various user needs. LG Pay, primarily designed for users with LG smartphones, LG Pay links to existing credit and debit cards to enable mobile payments. WeChat Pay, part of the WeChat ecosystem, WeChat Pay provides personal accounts for individual users and merchant accounts for businesses. Global reach. The international usability of these platforms varies significantly. LG Pay, primarily available in select countries, with a focus on South Korea and the United States. Its acceptance depends on the availability of compatible payment terminals. WeChat Pay, widely accepted in China and increasingly in other countries, especially in Asia. It is particularly useful for travelers in China due to its extensive integration with local merchants and services. Fees. Examining the fee structures is crucial for cost-conscious users. LG Pay typically does not charge additional fees for transactions, relying on the user's linked bank cards which may have their own fees. WeChat Pay, generally free for domestic transactions. However, fees may apply for certain services. User experience. Analyzing the user experience helps in understanding day-to-day usability. LG Pay, integrated with LG smartphones, the app provides a seamless payment experience with easy card management and secure transactions. WeChat Pay, embedded within the WeChat app, it offers a seamless experience for users already familiar with WeChat. Customer support. Effective customer support is essential for resolving issues and answering questions. LG Pay provides customer support through LG's existing service channels, including phone and online support. WeChat Pay offers customer support through the WeChat app, including help centers, FAQs, and direct customer service channels. Mobile experience. A user-friendly mobile app is crucial for managing finances on the go. LG Pay, the app is designed to integrate seamlessly with LG smartphones, offering a user-friendly interface for managing cards, making payments, and accessing rewards and offers. WeChat Pay, part of the comprehensive WeChat app, it provides a smooth and intuitive experience for managing payments, sending money, and accessing financial services. Merchant acceptance. Merchant acceptance is a key factor for usability. LG Pay, its reach is expanding but still limited compared to more established mobile payment solutions. WeChat Pay, widely accepted in China and increasingly adopted by international merchants. Additional features, extra features can enhance the value of the payment solution. LG Pay offers features like LG Pay Quick, which allows users to quickly access their cards and rewards. WeChat Pay provides extensive features including peer-to-peer transfers, bill payments, and online shopping. Conclusion. Both LG Pay and WeChat Pay offer unique features tailored to different user needs. LG Pay is ideal for LG smartphone users seeking a secure, integrated mobile payment solution. WeChat Pay excels in its extensive features, international acceptance, and seamless integration within the WeChat ecosystem. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.